how to add another account on Facebook. So if you want to add another account on your Facebook, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you need to go with the bottom, which has that profile icon. And then you need to just scroll down and you will have a logout option, right? You need to just simply tap on logout and then again tap on logout, and it will log you out of your account. And once you're here, if you want to add another account, then as you can see that you will have an option of use another profile. You need to just simply tap on the option of use another profile and then enter the other Facebook's mobile number or email address, and then go with continue and enter the password or enter the credentials of your second Facebook account. And after that, you simply have to tap on login or continue, and it will log you into your account. And you can easily switch between your accounts. You can just simply go with your profile, and then here, once you add another Facebook, you will have the drop down menu. You need to tap on the drop down and you will have all of the Facebooks that you've just saved. You need to go and tap on any Facebook account that you would like to switch, and you'll be able to switch your account. That's how you can add another account on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.